So there's some other things that we can do when we're in the Marquee tool that can enhance text. So I typed this more on Vimeo, and I'll show you how I did that. Basically, I went in and created this effect, clicked on the effect, and I changed the size of it. So let's go to 2. And then you can just choose all these different types. So once you have that, one of the other things that you can actually do that's interesting is, well, to get it to see through it at this point, you actually need to go into your surfaces and disable the surface. And that's how you get that outline. So from that point, something that we could do is we could go into the shadows and we could show the shadow, and we could change the shadow to local, so it's connected to this local area of the typography. If we change it to projected, then it's basically the light projecting through it. And the same in drop shadows, just a drop shadow. But local is cool because then we can select a hinge. So we can hinge it off of the right, the left, the back, but let's stick to the bottom. And what we can do is we can change this angle. So that's cool, I like this. And then we can then adjust the offset and make it look like it's a shadow coming off of it. So yeah, there's tons of things that we can do to enhance our text. We can apply any textures that we want, and of course they are not going to work unless we go and turn on our surfaces. If we turn on the surfaces, I'm going to undo that. The sky's the limit. We can use any of these textures that we want. And if we don't want to use a texture, we can also use materials. Make sure that we're enabling our surface. And that's the basics of changing surface properties and using effects to enhance the outline and update your typography.